Hi, this is Dave from DIY Domination. Have you ever wanted to learn how to build a sustainable irrigation system for your crops? In a world where water scarcity is a growing concern, the need for efficient, eco-friendly irrigation methods has never been more paramount. Sustainable irrigation is about more than just watering plants. It's a meticulous process that marries the science of plant growth with the art of water conservation, aiming to use every drop of water to its maximum potential. It's about understanding your site, choosing the right irrigation system, applying water conservation techniques, and continually monitoring and adjusting your approach. By following a step-by-step guide, you can build an irrigation system that not only promotes healthy crop growth, but also conserves water and minimizes environmental impact. This journey to sustainability starts with understanding your site, and then meticulously planning your moves. Ready to dive into the nitty-gritty? Let's begin with the first step: site analysis and planning. By the way, if you like this video and want to see more videos with advice on sustainable farming techniques, make sure to click the subscribe button and leave a comment down below saying, "I subscribed," and we'll do our best to reply to your comment. The first step to building a sustainable irrigation system is understanding your site. Now, this involves a careful analysis of various factors. First off, you'll need to identify the type of soil, climate, and topography of your site. Each of these elements plays a significant role in determining the effectiveness and efficiency of your irrigation system. Next up, consider the water requirements of the crops you plan to cultivate. Different crops have different watering needs, and it's crucial to tailor your irrigation system to cater to these specific requirements. Now let's talk about water sources. Whether it's a well, river, or a rainwater harvesting system, it's essential to assess the reliability and quality of your water source. Finally, don't forget about regulatory compliance. Always check local regulations and obtain any necessary permits for water usage. Once you have a clear understanding of your site and its requirements, you can move on to choosing the right irrigation system. The next step is to choose an irrigation system that best suits your site and crop needs. One system to consider is drip irrigation. This method delivers water directly to the roots of your plants, ensuring precision and efficiency. It's a fantastic way to minimize water wastage and control weed growth. Another option is soaker hoses. These are designed to release water slowly along their length, making them perfect for row crops or garden beds. Lastly, let's not forget about the wonders of rainwater harvesting. This is an eco-friendly practice that involves collecting and storing rainwater for later use. It's a beautiful way to make the most of nature's gift and reduce reliance on other water sources. Just remember, the key is to match the irrigation system with the specific needs of your site and crops. After choosing the right system, it's time to look into water conservation techniques. Water conservation is a critical aspect of sustainable irrigation. It's not just about delivering water to your crops, but ensuring that each precious drop is used wisely and efficiently. One of the best ways to do this is through mulching. By applying a layer of organic material around your plants, you not only help to suppress weed growth, but also reduce evaporation. This means that the water you do use is retained in the soil for longer, keeping your plants well hydrated and healthy. But how do you know when it's time to water your plants again? That's where soil moisture sensors come in handy. These clever devices monitor the amount of water in your soil, allowing you to irrigate only when necessary. This avoids water wastage and ensures that your plants get the right amount of water at the right time. With water conservation techniques in place, next, we focus on efficient water distribution. Efficient water distribution is the key to maximizing your irrigation system's benefits. Let's discuss how zoning and the use of timers can help achieve this. Zoning is a smart strategy that involves dividing your irrigation system based on the water needs of different areas and soil types. This ensures that each zone receives the exact amount of water it requires, preventing wasteful overwatering and underwatering. Remember, different crops may require different amounts of water, so zoning allows for tailored irrigation that meets the needs of each plant. Now let's move on to timers. Timers are a powerful tool for efficient water distribution. By automating your irrigation schedules, timers help avoid overwatering, a common issue that not only wastes water but can also harm your crops. Plus, they free up your time, allowing you to focus on other important tasks. Now that we've covered water distribution, let's talk about energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is another crucial element of a sustainable irrigation system. One of the most effective ways we can achieve this is by harnessing the power of the sun. Yes, you heard it right. Solar-powered pumps. These innovative devices are not just eco-friendly, but also a testament to the beautiful synergy between technology and nature. Solar-powered pumps reduce our reliance on conventional energy sources, making them a clever and sustainable choice. They absorb the sun's natural energy during the day, storing it to power the irrigation system, even when the sun is not shining. This means you're not only saving on energy costs, but also contributing to a cleaner, greener environment. In a world where sustainable and renewable energy is more important than ever, using solar-powered pumps for your irrigation system is a step in the right direction. So, let's make the most of our natural resources. And remember, every little bit helps in the fight against climate change. Up next, we'll delve into water quality management. Maintaining water quality is essential for the health of your crops and the longevity of your irrigation system. The first line of defense? Water filtration. Installing filters within your irrigation system is a proactive step towards preventing clogging of equipment, which can lead to costly repairs and inefficient water usage. Water quality goes beyond simply preventing clogs, though. Ensuring your water is free from harmful chemicals and pollutants is vital. This not only preserves the health of your crops, but also protects the soil and the surrounding environment. Regular maintenance is another crucial aspect of water quality management. This involves routine checks for leaks, clogs, or other issues that might compromise the system's functionality. Prompt repair and replacement of faulty components can save you a lot of headaches down the line. Remember, a sustainable irrigation system is not just about efficient water distribution. It's about ensuring the water we use is clean, safe, and optimally utilized. Monitoring and adjustment is the next step in our guide. Implementing an irrigation system is not a set-it-and-forget-it process. Much like a watchful gardener, we need to constantly monitor and adjust our system to ensure it's performing at its best. Harnessing the power of technology, we can use data monitoring tools to optimize water usage. These gadgets give us real-time updates about our soil moisture levels, helping us avoid water waste. But it's not just about having the right tools. It's also about understanding the rhythms of nature and adapting our irrigation schedules accordingly. Seasonal variations, weather conditions, and crop growth stages. These are all factors that can greatly influence our irrigation needs. We might need to water more during a particularly dry summer or less during a wet spring. And remember, every change we make is a new opportunity to learn and improve. So let's keep our eyes open, our minds flexible, and our hands ready to make those necessary adjustments. The final steps in our guide are education, training, evaluation, and improvement. A sustainable irrigation system requires ongoing effort and improvement. Now that you've got your system set up, it's time to ensure that it keeps running smoothly. This involves educating and training the people who will be using and maintaining the system. Why is this important? Well, without proper understanding and skills, even the most advanced irrigation system can fall short of its potential. Training should be comprehensive, covering everything from the basics of how the system works to understanding the nuances of water conservation and energy efficiency. This education is not a one-time event. As the system evolves and improves, so should the knowledge of the people operating it. But who says learning only happens in one direction? The people on the ground working with the system day in and day out often have valuable insights and ideas. Encourage them to share their observations and suggestions. This feedback can lead to improvements that make the system even more effective and sustainable. And speaking of improvements, let's talk about evaluation. Regularly assessing the performance of your irrigation system is crucial. This isn't about finding faults, but about seeking opportunities for enhancement. Ask questions like, is the system delivering water efficiently? Are the plants getting the right amount of water at the right time? Are there any leaks or blockages? Based on your evaluations, make the necessary adjustments. Maybe it's tweaking the irrigation schedule based on the weather forecast, or perhaps it's replacing a worn-out component. Remember, sustainable irrigation isn't a set-it-and-forget-it affair. It's an ongoing process of learning, adjusting, and improving. And finally, don't forget the bigger picture. Your sustainable irrigation system is not just about saving water or growing crops. It's about contributing to a healthier planet, a more resilient food system, and a better future. So keep learning, keep improving, and keep making a difference. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a sustainable irrigation system that conserves water, promotes efficient crop growth, and minimizes environmental impact. If you liked this video, Then make sure to also watch these videos for more DIY sustainable farming techniques.